That's Maria's food. Say hi. Wish Grandma a happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Good
God
girl.
bless you.
Ah?
God bless you.
Wow.
We are the chef.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming. Yeah, I really appreciate so much. God bless you abundantly. And, yeah. So guys, God bless you. Thank you so much, guys. For what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for always joining and supporting. Yeah, I really supporting, and I really appreciate that so much. Peace and love today, guys. It's a beautiful day, and I'm really happy and also privileged to have my friends here at home who have really come to support me and my mom on her birthday. Today is her birthday, so guys, we're here. We have prepared a birthday for her, so I really advocate for unity and peace and love, you know. So the people that I invited, thank you so much. They came through, they are here, and we want to celebrate my mother's birthday in a good way. I always celebrate my parents because they have been there for me. Yeah, and I'm always there for them, guys. So guys, if you're new here, this is my home, village grandpa's residence, guys. Yeah, from this place. So yeah, let's go and see what my mom has prepared. She's right here preparing. Yeah, mom, how are you?
I am fine. Good.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Yes, I'm growing old. Day by day, minute after minute. Yes. I'm now 58.
58. Wow.
Last time I was 57.
Yeah.
Now I'm 58. I'm very grateful. God has taken care of me. My children have taken care of me. Maja especially. And
Thank
the
you, Mom.
others. Village grandpa also, who is my right hand man. I'm very grateful.
Yeah.
So I thank you also for taking care of me, for taking care of my birthday. Thank you, Madam. What is the name?
Grandma from USA.
Grandma from USA for supporting my birthday. I will also support you yours. You tell me when it is yours. I will pray for you so that you can have long life. Yeah, we live to praise and raise and pray for our children, for our young ones, so that they can grow well, as they can come up to where we are, so that they are also happy. So that their children also can support their birthdays always.
Yeah.
So I'm very grateful today. I'm happy for whatever you did to me. We are very grateful. Thank you. Keep on subscribing. Road to Success. Maja KE underscore. Maja underscore KE.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And guys, I really appreciate, because whenever we call you guys, you come through. How do you feel, mom? You see, my friends are here for you to support you.
I'm very happy.
Maria.
Very happy. Very happy for them. They have come here. You will see later a bit.
Yeah, let me call them one by one so that they can say happy birthday to you. So guys, let's call them. Maria. Yeah, so guys, we have friends. I think we will be coming one, okay, maybe two to say happy birthday to village grandma here.
First of all, I need water. We need to wash.
Yes, we are going to wash her.
Oh, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Thank you. I'm very grateful.
Yeah, it's very humble to meet you again, and we are praying to God because He has added you 1 year again to stay, and to at least we still need you, and we need to see you more and more and more. Yeah.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Welcome.
So introduce yourself, maybe.
Yeah, guys, I go by the name by it Ernest, the real son of the soil, the village guy. He's the village bugam, the village, the village boy. So welcome back to Maja's channel, and also if you're coming from my end, guys, go and support Maja. We need to pull him up again, guys, and he raise his views and his subscribers, guys. Go and support
Thank you, bro.
Maja. Road to success, guys. Yeah.
Thank you
Welcome.
so much. And we have Babushka. Babushka Kenya.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah, we love you so much. Age gracefully. We wish you more health, more money, good life, more blessings. Right?
Exactly.
Yeah. For honestly, I'm humble. I want to tell you that congratulations. This is your day.
Yes.
Feel free. Have fun. Enjoy with your family members because it's good because you know. There are some people who maybe have passed their way, but you are alive. You have to thank God.
God
for
had a
that.
purpose why
Yeah.
he has decided to add you that 1 year.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we know
And
that more to come, more years to come.
Exactly.
Wow, that's nice. So, guys, I'm Babushka Kenya. I'm a digital creator, guys, and also you can search me on YouTube at Babushka Kenya. I'm back than before, guys. I want to give you more content. You guys have been asking me to show you my lifestyle, and honestly, I'm ready to show you my lifestyle regardless of my disability. I'm here to show you that nothing is impossible.
You can
So long as you are determined and you have that focus, then go for it.
Very
So for me, I want to go for it because I have that ambition.
Yeah.
Through your support, this will happen. So guys, keep on supporting us. We appreciate your love, your support, because your support is the one that makes us to make that step. So we are here celebrating our mom's birthday, and we are telling her that happy birthday because she has reached how many years right now?
58.
58. Wow. 58 is not easy. 58 is not easy there. So we thank God for that, and we know that you will live more and more. So guys, thank you so much, and support me, guys. As I told you, we've got more videos to come because I want to push my content on YouTube officially because I've been so quiet on YouTube, but I wanna come back. And my apologies, guys. I know you guys have been asking, where's Babushka? Where's Babushka? Why Babushka not posting? So guys, from today on henceforth, I shall be showing you my lifestyle, my home, everywhere, and I know that you guys will support me till the end.
Yes,
yeah,
guys.
welcome.
Let's go
And so
support.
guys, Babushka Kenya, kindly go check him out on YouTube channel.
Yes.
He's now back, and we will be supporting each other
Thanks,
in
bro. I'm
every
humble,
way.
bro. Yeah.
And he will always be here when we are here. We will always be in Nairobi when he's in Nairobi,
Yeah, sure.
and doing great content. And always let's be very peaceful and
humble,
yeah, and humble
positive
and
always,
positive always. So Babushka has a talent of dancing.
Yeah.
I don't know why you haven't danced to my mom.
Yeah. How do we forget this?
So honestly
Let's do it,
speaking,
yeah.
I didn't prepare, but you know, I can dance for her. But even if we don't have that music,
Yes.
we can show that moves, right?
Yeah.
So for instance,
You know she was happy when she saw
I
you.
know, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey,
So I think
put some music.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe
play
the
some
music will be the copyright or will
No, just few minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just a few
Which,
seconds.
which music,
Such a song called I don't know
Which one?
Which popular. So such
Happy
Mario.
Birthday by
No, Mario. That's
Mario.
Mario.
Mario, yeah.
Oh,
Wewe hapo.
Oh, okay.
Mario.
Mario wewe hapo. Yeah,
Or
so
do
that
this,
is
or do this. That's happy birthday from Diamond.
Diamond or Rayvan. Rayvan or
Yeah,
Ham-
but Rayvan is so nice, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, Rayvan.
From
that's-
Rayvan, eh?
Yeah, from Rayvan. Rayvan is so.
Yeah. So a special song from Babushka to my lovely mom here, which my mom, I love her so much.
Yes.
Mm.
We love each other.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's great.
Yeah.
I'm very
So,
happy
guys,
to have Babushka.
Babushka
Yes.
I'm
Kenya.
humble, ma'am. Thank you for hosting me.
Okay.
I remember the first day I was here.
Yes, so nice, yeah.
Guys, we came here and it was late at night, but
Yes.
we were here. It was my first time for me to visit them, but they were so welcoming. You know, there's some, you know, bro. There's some houses that maybe when you can go, people cannot even accommodate you.
Really?
Yes.
But you guys show me love, show me support, and I'm really grateful for that. And God bless you, ma'am. Keep on having that heart. Appreciate everyone, welcome everyone, because you never know who gonna help you. Yeah.
On adding on top of what we've just said, sincerely speaking, our mom, she has raised us here.
Yeah.
Even me, I have been coming here, even without knocking. I know he is home since when I was young.
Yeah.
I used to come here because we are friends and we are, she's my aunt too. So she doesn't have any boundaries that you don't come or what. Or she, in fact, she's a fantastic
kind.
mom, sincerely speaking. She has raised me. We have been coming here eating even small that she has, guys,
Yeah,
you know.
welcome. This
Since
is
I
our
was
home.
young, guys, this is our home, guys. So she's amazing, mom. Let me put that song so that
Yeah,
you can
play
hear.
that song. Birthday to you. It's your birthday. Oh my God, it's your birthday day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wow. Happy birthday, happy
Yeah, happy birthday to you, mom.
Yes. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
Yeah. You see, she has white hair. She's
Yes.
green hair.
Sure.
Yeah. Yes.
That is it now.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for welcoming us.
So more people will be coming to say happy birthday.
Yes.
Yeah.
We are here.
Yes. Village grandpa now is back. Shikamoo. Yeah. Village grandpa, how are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Say hi
Yeah. Hi.
and
Welcome to which channel? Is it yours?
Maja.
Yeah,
Yeah.
my husband.
Oh, welcome to Maja's channel, YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm Village Grandpa. Yes. So I'm from somewhere else. So I'm just arriving.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Yes.
Say happy birthday to
Happy birthday to Maria.
village grandma.
Village Grandma. Oh.
Yes. You don't even know.
Even I don't know.
Mm.
I'm from somewhere. Yeah, it was just a surprise, but we thank God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Whatever. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
When
you.
it is
Thank
my
you.
birthday, it is also yours.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Thank you guys. That was village grandpa. That is my dad. Yeah, so guys, again we are going to bring some more people to say hi. Yeah, and say happy birthday to village grandma guys, so that we can start now eating and having saying a very good, very happy birthday to village grandma here, guys. Yeah, so guys, we have more people coming, and we really appreciate. So we have them here to wish my mom a happy birthday.
Mom,
Yes,
how are you?
I am fine. And
Wow, happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Many, many more years. Eh?
Yes.
Happy birthday, mom. You're good.
Asante.
Happy birthday. Wish me a community.
Thank you. Welcome.
Yeah, so guys, these are one of the people, content creators, who are doing a great work here in the village. They came to support me and my mother here, village grandma, and I'm so happy, you know, when you have people and you're doing a great work and consulting each other. It's always very nice for your mind and also peace of mind when you converse. So starting from here, this is
Brother Dagi, guys. Welcome at Maja_KE YouTube channel. Today we are here, we are surprising our mom. It's her birthday. Happy birthday, mom. And then you live many, many more years, guys, you know. Maja_KE, he's my brother here in the village at Nyabohanse village, because we come from one community. So we are here to support each other. For the new subscriber, please subscribe on this channel and don't forget to support me. Go check me out at Brother Dagi YouTube channel, guys. I have my friends here from Nyabohanse, and then let me give them the chance also, guys, and welcome all of you. Welcome Nyabohanse. Enjoy with us, guys.
Thank you so much, brother Dagi, for coming
Welcome
through.
everyone.
Yeah.
A gift? You don't have a gift for village grandma.
Behind the camera.
Behind the camera, guys, you know, it's like this. You know?
Behind the scene.
Yeah. No,
Okay. Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Maja's YouTube channel. My name is Gasuku Benito. I'm a content creator too. I have got amazing contents in my channel. So go check me out at Benito Gasuku. So today is Maja's mother birthday, and we are here to celebrate together and wish her many years. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to Maja's channel, kindly do so. This is the channel you are supposed to be. So watch this video till end. We serve good vibes and inshallah.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah. So guys, if you don't know him, he is a brother to Mick and Atrin.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm the brother to Mick and Ashrin. So support me, guys.
Yeah.
We need your support, and we can't take the love and support for granted.
Yeah.
Go
Thank
check
you.
me out, Benito Gasuku. Don't forget.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, so welcome guys, thank you guys for hosting me, Maja_KE. My name is Johnston Mozak. Here is like home. We are here to celebrate a special day for our village grandma. She's turning more years and more wisdom. Okay, yeah, sorry guys for that technical issues. So my name is Johnston Mozak. I'm also a content creator here in the village. I normally bring you vlog on lifestyle and the lifestyle here in the village. So guys, kindly, if you are new, maybe this is the first time you're seeing me, you can go check me out, Johnston Mozak. I also have there a lot of some videos, and also if you are from my end, consider subscribing and supporting a brother here. It's because of him and the village ma. That is why we are here, and it's a special day for her. So ma'am, once again, congratulations and a happy new year. A happy birthday. Sorry. Yeah, and they also happy.
Yeah, we have more
visitors. Congratulations mama. Koroboke. Shikamo. Novo ile mama. Congratulations mama. Yani kwanza tumshukuru Mungu. Si rahisi kufika hapa. Mama yetu kama hivi tu celebrate cha ukweli, si kujoke very serious. Yes. Mama, wacha nikwambie ni neema ulipofika.
Yeah. So we have Mapopo has just arrived.
Congratulations.
Yeah, not arrived now. I was here.
Mmechota maji ya kutosha hapo? Yako mengi. Sawa.
Yeah. So we have here also a brother. We are going one by one.
What's up guys, welcome back to This Amazing Child. My name is Gaki, and first of all let me just say happy birthday to village grandma as he step into another amazing year. Guys, for watching this, kindly watch till the end, subscribe, and just help us to wish her a happy birthday as he turn into another amazing year. So happy birthday to you, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Go check him out and support him. Road to success, guys. We are here to support each other. So road to success. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
You are present behind the camera. Yes. And okay.
What's up guys, this is one of friends from this side guys, and we come here to celebrate. This is the month of celebrating. We are both celebrating the Christmas holiday, and then today guys, we are celebrating our mother birthday. Actually, my mother, happy birthday to you. We thank God for this far. God take her this far until the point she
Mama, me I said that congratulations. Sijasema happy birthday. Happy birthday to you and congratulations. Happy nini wanasemanga? Ile nasemaga makampi. Come on.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. We starting New Year. Si ndio? Mama amezaliwa leo. On today, so we started the New Year. So happy New Year. Kia Mungu walai mama. Nimekuja na maji hapa. Bora uhai.
So actually guys, we have to celebrate to her because she's I don't know the year, but she's old.
58
years guys. We have to thank God for that. She came from far until the point she is. Actually it's God, and God hold her until the point she's looks young, guys.
Imagine.
Actually,
She's young.
for
She's
him,
young.
yeah,
But
she has that
she
white
started.
hair.
You know this white ndio neema wanasemaga neema.
Neema.
Ukipata mtu ameanza kuwa na zile nywele nyeupe ni neema, maana kwamba Mungu amempa ile neema ya kufika ile age Mungu anayotaka, ile ya 7 and more than 7. Kwa hii neema ako nayo na more than 7 atafika mama. Yeah. Trust me.
Yeah. And she's young.
Yeah, for sure.
She's growing, and actually she
And beautiful. Young and beautiful.
Yes. So actually, guys, kindly consider by subscribing to Maja KE channel. Support him. Actually, guys, and your support is highly appreciated. And to my side, at Why Not Prince, road to success, guys. We love you, guys. Thank you for your support.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Kindly support him.
God bless you.
Yeah. Yeah, and my Popo just arrived and hijacked.
I'm here himself. My English is kona, but I try. I don't give up. I don't want. Mama, you remember even the time I started even there I started to buy material there. I come to introduce me.
Trying very much.
By the way, before I was talking 0.01, 0.0.
But now you speak.
Right now I speak like a German machine. Sometimes I don't lose even some point. Kina Maja walikuwa kunifundisha na nini? Check Maja na Nasto. Walikuwa naenda kunifundisha kizungu, wananiletea vitabu nyumbani. Nikaanza kunifundisha Mungu.
Yeah. But God is good.
Yeah,
right
is
now
good,
you're one of the best.
Yeah, for sure. 100, not 100%, is like a 7%. But right now, actually, I thank so much God, because God make away the press. Somebody will see no way, So it's a good way He made me that my brain to make sure I learning every day, one by one. Right now, I'm speaking like German machine, like I'm mtangazaji. Guys, by the way, I'm a content creator also. When you listen Mapopo name Mapopo, Mapopo is Nyambogo. Mapopo is bat. Mapopo is bat. You know me, I don't sleep at night. Yeah, so me I'm bat. So I'm Mapopo. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel also. You can subscribe to my channel. If you're a new subscriber first in this channel, kindly please you can subscribe, like, comment, and share. Show my brother amazing love to push him to get a lot of success. 1 million first. Yes, and also remember we are here to celebrate our mama's blessing, our mama blessings, ndio? Blessings. Yeah, blessings. Unaona sasa mama ananifundisha kizungu ya shuleni. Tunataka hii kizungu ya juujuu ya kwenda haraka mbio. Our mama blessings. Is neema, guys. Is neema to end the. Sasa hapo si nimewadanganya. Is neema ndio nini sasa?
Iko sawa.
Hapo wanaelewa. Mama nana nidanganya. Is neema to end to have our mom who is reaching on this world. Also, by the way, actually, mom, we want to pray God first, actually, to appreciate God. Yeah, me with you is not enough to. Now we're celebrating, but first we must to appreciate God. Yeah, is the one who give this chance to celebrating today for this part.
So guys, that is Mapopo. Thank you so much, Mapopo, for coming. Long time, but
long time.
You are here and celebrating my mother's birthday is the most amazing thing for me especially, and you are here and a lot of people are here. I'm really happy. Yeah, I'm really happy. And this one cheated us, but now she's here. Yes, this is action.
Why you say that I cheated you? You are saying
because,
it slowly behind the camera. That this one
because
cheated
you are supposed to come early to help mom cooking.
I was here, village grandma. You know what I was doing? The fixing of ile niliza madrisha. Village grandma kanitetea me.
Kanitetea you.
Even
by the way, mama first kanitetea you.
Village grandma tetea me.
Yes. I can tetea her.
Yeah. I've been just
mama, yani kizungu kweli mama.
I've been fixing I've been going up and down.
Now you are fined. You have to.
No, she will now have to serve. I have cooked, she will serve.
Say something.
So guys, thank you so much for always supporting us. I've been up and down, but also rushing to come and be here with my mommy. It's her birthday, and we're gonna celebrate. Happy birthday!
Thank you, mom.
Yeah, 58. What?
I'm old.
No, you're not old. You're growing young. See your body.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're
Because
growing.
of God.
Yeah, you're glowing. Like you're glowing. You're really looking so nice and
Thank you.
very young. But may God bless you and keep keeping you even more. We're gonna celebrate you today, and we say thank you so much for always taking care of us and supporting us. Yeah, guys. So that's why we are here, and keep watching the video till the end. And in case you don't know me, my name is Atrin Boke. Maja, you're sad.
Because you cheated me, but it's okay, guys. Yeah.
Don't be sad. She's here. Better late than never.
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, my friend is sad. Let me just put on the bag. I can fix things. I coordinate things very well so that I can see him smiling again. Yeah, guys. So see you and keep watching the video, please. Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, that was Atrin. Atrin Boke. Go check him. Go check her out and kindly support. And yeah. And this is our beautiful mother here in the village grandma.
Yes.
I
thank you all for coming to celebrate with me. I'm very happy.
Thank you so much.
God bless you. God keep on blessing you wherever you go, whatever you do, and reach my age. More than my age. Yes.
Thank you so much, Mama.
That is my blessings to you. All.
Yes, thank you. God bless you abundantly, guys. So we have more people who are coming. We are just waiting for them. So yeah, peace and love.
Nana anataka nini? Anataka ugali. Dagesi umesema unataka ugali, utakula ugali?
Unabadilisha brand.
Yeah, we kula rice. So we are here, guys. Not she didn't cook, but she's serving.
She's the best one. Yeah. So that is it, guys. You can see here.
Yeah.
It's meal time. Let's eat.
Yeah. And we have the late comers here.
Pakulia babushka rice.
From Maria.
Hata mimi najua wamekulazimishia.
Maria,
tutakula na Maria.
Ndio.
Tutakula na wewe. Tuongeze tutakula na yeye.
Tuongeze hapo tutakula na Maria.
Nitakula na yeye.
Smile for the camera.
Yeah.
Jamani. Kimetosha.
Kwani ugali tabaki hapo?
Umekula.
Tengezee ugali hata naoni tabaki hapo. Kwani baki?
Hautaki rice?
Yeah. Okay, let Kama say hi. Let Kama.
How are you? I'm sorry for keeping you guys. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching my Alaska KE. We are here celebrating village grandma. Happy birthday, grandma. Yeah, and how are you, Maj? How do you feel your mom is turning a year older?
Yeah, I feel so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm so happy for her. She's always been there for me. And I'm so happy. She's turning 58.
Wow, 58?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah. And this is for Maria.
Oh, this is for Maria.
Huh? You have a surprise for grandma? You don't have a surprise for your grandma? Why? Tell Uncle to
cabbage.
Hi guys, we are so happy to be here. We are so happy to celebrate village grandma. I'm so excited because she's turning a year older and she has been. You guys are making noise. She has been like our mom here at the village. Not our mom, she's actually our mom here at the village, and everybody is celebrating. And Atrin is the chef.
Yeah, I'm the chef. I'm not the
that's
Maria. I'm the chef.
Kaa chini ukule mama, usipaswe sani kuja. Ekalia hapo juu. That's Maria's food. Say hi. Wish grandma a happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Good girl.
God bless you.
Ah?
God bless you.
Parents, we are the chef. We are not
Yeah,
the
thank you so much for coming. Yeah, I really appreciate so much. God bless you abundantly. Yeah. So guys, God bless you. Thank you so much, guys, for coming, supporting my mom. Yeah, all here, guys.
It's Brother Dagi. And don't forget to support me. I have my brother here, you know.
Yeah.
He's the biggest YouTuber also from Nyabohanse, you know. But me, Brother Dagi, go subscribe on my YouTube channel. Just show some love, you know, guys. Welcome and enjoy with us. I have amazing food, guys, you know. Yeah. It's a happy birthday.
Yeah.
To Maja_KE, his mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. This, by the way, I didn't say he's a very big friend to my brother Edu Swaga. Yeah. So.
And also, he's my brother. I was raised here. You know, we used to spend here most of the time, guys, since I was young.
Yeah.
I was little bit small, but right now
you're big. We call him Biggie.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah. So keep supporting Maja. We are just celebrating our mom birthday.
Yes.
I really appreciate. Kudos to everyone who has just supported everyone here, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yummy, yummy.
Yes.
And also congratulations to our chief chef. Who made this food big?
Village Grandma.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
So congratulations to Village Grandma, and the way she's getting more years and maturity. I pray for his get wisdom and more life to enjoy, so that he can see a lot of things in this world. So guys, I'm just on Mozak again. Thank you guys. You can go and check me out. Support me by subscribing and watching the video. Also, if you're from my end, also support my brother here, Maja_KE.
Yeah.
He's a very good guy of us. He has supported us, he has shown us love and everything, and we never take that for granted.
Thank
so
you.
Maja, for me, what I can say is you are doing an amazing job here in the village.
Yeah.
And also, when you see people coming together to celebrate with you,
that is love. And,
is love, yeah. So,
and positivity. All the way, yeah.
So let's continue with the same vibe
and spirit.
Same spirit, so that by the end of the day, that is how we're gonna see the other end. So guys, thank you so much for watching us and everything. We really love you, and bye. See you again when we see each other.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for also coming. This is your first time at our home.
Yeah.
And as I told you earlier, he's a brother to Artin and
Mick.
Yeah.
We are enjoying. It's my first time here, but I'm feeling free. Yeah. I'm feeling at home.
Yes.
It's true.
Yeah. So, this is yours.
Maja, surely.
I also have it.
Yeah.
I'm not saying anything since morning.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, so guys, I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. And I'm really happy for my mother. I'm really happy for her. She's enjoying her day today, which is her birthday, guys. I know maybe I've kept on repeating the birthday of my mom, but guys, I'm really excited. Thank you so much, guys, for the people who didn't make it, and I really want to say thank you so much. I know you guys will wish her, maybe on the comment section or on my social media platform or on my YouTube channel here. Yeah, so guys, and let me say peace and love and positive vibes. Let's keep on moving. Happy New Year, because Christmas was yesterday. Now we are at a new year, guys, and may God bless you abundantly. I want to say Happy New Year 2025, and to more success to everyone. More success. Peace and love, guys. Until our next video, I love you.